Oh, yeah.
Okay, so today's date is August 21st.
I don't know.
Today's date is August 21st. We're attempting to harvest our second container of
No, it has
potatoes.
to be the 20th. Start over. I think it's the 20th.
Okay, so today is August 20th. We're attempting to... Take 3? Take 4. We're attempting to... Okay, take 5. Today is August 20th. We're attempting to harvest our second container of potatoes. As you can see, we decided to wait till the leaves were a little bit more dead this time. You can kind of see how they're all kind of brown and kind of dying off looking. So we decided maybe it was time. You look at the other one right next to it, you know, it still looks a little bit more greener. It doesn't quite look so brown as the first one. So that's why we thought this one would be ready.
That, we're out of potatoes.
That, and we are out of potatoes, and we really want something to eat. Necessity. Alright?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, timber. Alright, so far we have a bucket full of dirt.
Go get that blue.
Blue what?
The little tub.
The blue tub?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go get it.